What's your name?
Hey, what up?
Can you spell the name?
Hello?
Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
What?
What's the name?
I don't talk that shit. What you saying?
Why you say motherfucker?
Huh?
Motherfucker.
Motherfuck.
Motherfucker.
You wanna fuck, buddy?
Yes, I am.
You're a fuck buddy.
Yes, I am.
Are you a prostitute?
Yes, I am.
How do you get this number, prostitute?
Can you spell the name?
Huh?
Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
Do what?
Can you spell the name? How you spell?
How do you spell?
Yes?
What you
How
want
you
to spell?
Can you spell the name?
Spell her name.
Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name? What the first name?
What name?
What the first name?
What?
What's your name?
Who?
What the last name?
Last name?
Can you spell the name?
Doug, what name are you talking about?
Can you spell the name for me? Can you
No,
spell the
fuck
name?
no, I won't spell a name for you.
Why?
You spell?
I'm a doctor. How you
What?
spell? I'm a doctor.
Huh?
How you spell?
What the fuck are you trying to spell?
Can you spell the name?
Spell who name?
What's your name?
My name?
Yes?
Fuck no, I ain't telling you my name. What the fuck I look like? You could be a raper man.
Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
Spell the name?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
Doctor.
Who?
Doctor.
No call?
Yes? Yes,
What are
I
you,
am.
Chinese, Japanese?
Yes, I am.
You're Japanese?
Yes, I am.
Are you Chinese?
Yes? Yes, I am.
How
Yes,
you gonna
I
be
am.
both?
Yes, I am.
Where are you from?
Doctor.
No hablo English?
Why?
Huh?
Why? Why?
Hi?
Why?
What?
Why?
Who is this?
Doctor.
Who?
Doctor.
Where you from, Dove?
Why?
Who?
Why?
Have I?
Yes?
You don't even know what the fuck I just said. You just saying yes, yes, yes.
Who?
Dog, fuck you. Don't call this number back.
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker?
The police come to fuck me in the jail.
What'd you say?
The police get you in the jail.
The police will get me?
The police fuck you in the jail.
The police will get me?
The police come to fuck you.
Hey, you a funny motherfucker.
Fuck the police.
Come get you. Fuck you.
Fuck us.
Fuck you.
Fuck the police.
Fuck you and the popo.
Motherfucker. Motherfucker.
No, I don't want to fuck.
Fuck the
No, I
police.
will not go to the bathroom with you.
The police come to fuck you.
No, police come get you. Fuck you.
I call the police. The police. I call the police.
Fuck you. No, he's like Japanese. He
Motherfucker.
said he Chinese and Japanese.
Yes,
Fuck
I am.
you.
Motherfucker. Why
No, I don't want to
why
fuck
you say
you.
motherfucker?
You
What you
Chinese
say?
bastard.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Yes?
Looking ass. Shut up, bitch.
Why? Why you say motherfucker? What's your name?
My name is Hong Kong, bitch.
Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name? Can you spell the name?
I am the police, bitch.
The police get you in the jail.
The police will get me. The police will get you for being a raper man and keep calling the phone.
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker. You nasty bastard.
Oh, I'm fine. This is Officer Martin from the Sheriff's Department. How can I help you this evening? I'm Deputy
Hello?
Martin from the Sheriff's Department. Are you calling here? Stop calling here.
Hello?
I'm Deputy Martin from the Sheriff's Department.